All right. Question. Second question is, so if f of x is equal to x by root over 1 plus x square, then f circle of f at x value is. So this is the given of options are, first option is given by 3x by root over 1 plus x square, and second option is given by x by root over 1 plus 3x square, and third option is given by 3x by root over 1 plus 3x square, and fourth option is given by x by root over 1 plus x square. These are the four options are given. So in that one, which is the correct one, we can be identify. Procedure method I will tell. Next, I go through the shortcut method also. First, procedure method, everyone observe. So what is the procedure method? Is two f's we can take. F circle f at x, that is the f of circle means bracket f of x, by the definition of f of x, place write down f of x, it will become as a f of x by x, place write down f of x replaced with f of x by root over 1 plus x, place is the f of x square. Next one, f of x means x by root over 1 plus x square, by denominator is root of 1 plus. So x square by root will be cancelled 1 plus x square. Root will be cancelled 1 plus x square. Now write down its value is. X by root over 1 plus x square, by the LCM 1 plus x square is root over 1 plus 2x square, by denominator is the 1 plus x square. So 1 plus root over 1 plus x square, is cancelled. X by root over 1 plus 2x square. Now what I am going to understand is 2f is there, here is the 2x square is came. 3f is there, here is the 3x square will come. Immediately will write answer is f circle f at x is x by 3f terms are there, therefore root over 1 plus 3x square. Similarly, so f circle, so f circle up to n terms of f is there, then it will become as x by root over 1 plus n x square. N times of f is there, it will become as x by sorry, video is not visible. Now see, video is visible. Now see, is it clear? Which is now it is clear now. Right. F circle n times is there, x by 1 plus root over 1 plus n x square. Shortcut method means x place we can take. I will write here in the shortcut method. You can see shortcut method. We can see what is the shortcut method is x place take it as a 1. Put x is equal to 1. Then what happens? You can see. Then what happens? So f of 1 value is equal to 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. Is it correct? 1 by root 2. f of one value is 1 by root 2. Now write down f circle f at x place take 1 number, x place take 1. So f circle f of bracket circle place of f of 1. What is the f of 1 value is the 1 by root 2. F of 1 value is the 1 by root 2. Now write down f bracket of f of 1 value is the 1 by root 2. Right. Immediately x place is the 1 by root 2 right down. X place is the 1 by root 2 right down. F of x place is the 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 by 1 root over 1 plus 1 by root 2 square is the 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Now write down its value is f of 2 plus 1 is the 3 root 2 cancel 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. Again write down x place is the 1 by root 3. F of 1 by root 3 write down 1 by root 3 by root over 1 plus 1 by 3. Again simplification is 1 by, again simplification is, everyone see, simplification is same. This is root 3 cancel. 1 by root 4 means 1 by 2. Where we get to 1 by 2 answer is in this option. We can substitute x place is the 1. 3 by root 2 is not a answer. 1 x place is the 1. 1 by 1 plus 3 means 1 by 2. Second option is the tick. That's enough. Okay, na? We can use shortcut method or we can use this one. Okay, na? Root 4 is the 2 only. Root 4 is the 2 only, not plus or minus 2. X square is equal to 4. Then only x is equal to plus or minus 2. So variable is equal to root 4. Then it will take it as a plus or minus. Only root 4 means plus 4, plus 2 only. Okay, na? Right. This problem is completed. So now I go through the next problem. Right, see. Question number 3 is let f of x is equal to sine x. If f of x is equal to sine x, is it clear? F of x is equal to sine x and g of x is equal to root over modulus of 1 minus x, root over modulus of 1 minus x, then g circle f at x and f circle g at x and f circle f at x and g circle g at x. These all are find out. First we can do, everyone. First you have to do. Everyone find out. This is that. Already you know that. Already you know that. Everyone see. First one I will take. First one I will take. This is the first one. And this is the second one. And this is the third one. And this is the fourth one. Now work out fast. G circle f at x, circle replace with bracket g of f of x. What is the f of x value is sine x. Sine x substitute in g in place of x. So g in place of x write down sine x root over modulus of 1 minus x place is the sine x. That's enough. F circle g at x, CM. F circle g at x, F circle place in the bracket g of x. Now write down g of x is f of, what is the g of x? Root over modulus of 1 minus x. This is substitute in f in place of x. So sine of x place is write down root over modulus of 1 minus x. That's enough only. Remaining you should be write down. Remaining you should be write down. Yes, these are all our objective questions only. First, everyone write down. Last problem I am going to do in that objective problems. F of x is equal to x square, g of x is equal to sin x. Okay. The set of all x is needed. Sorry. Fast everyone complete. I go through the fourth objective problem. Fourth objective problem. Question number 4. What is the f of x is equal to x square and g of x is equal to sin x for all x belongs to real number and f circle g f at x, f circle g circle f at x is equal to g circle f at x. Then x interval is, then x interval is, then x interval is, then x interval is, then x interval is. This is the given problem. This is the given problem. Everyone see. So what they are going to given here is 1, 2, 3, 4 is given. 1, 2, 3, 4 is given. Okay. Now take this one. F of bracket of g of bracket of g of f of x. Right. Everyone write down. This one is equal to g of bracket of g of f of x. Now write down what is the f of x value. F of g of bracket of g of f of x means x square is equal to g of bracket of g of f of x means x square. F of x is given by x square. Next, g, in g, x place write down x square. F of g of, in g, sine of x place is the x square. Sine of x place is the x square. So sine place is the x place is the x square. G of sine of x place is the x square, right? Again in g write down, again in g write down. So f of bracket of, in g write down sine of x place is the sine x square. X place is the sine x square. G in g write down, so sine of x place is the sine x square. X place is the sine x square. X place is the sine x square. Now come to the here. Again f write down, again f write down. X place this one write down. Sine of sine x square whole square. X square, f of x is the x square. This square only is equal to sine of, bring this side, minus sine of x square is equal to 0. Now take common. So now take common. This is one time take common. So sine of Sin x square is common. What is the sign of sin x square? Minus 1 is equal to 0. A into B is equal to 0. Sin of sin x square is equal to 0, or sin of sin x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Minus 1 is equal to 0, or sine of sine x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Is it clear? Right. Sine of sine x square 0 is at sine 0. Sine 0 degrees is a 0. Sine is cancelled. So sine x square is equal to 0. General solution, sine is 0 at all 180 degrees. Therefore, x square is equal to n pi. X is equal to root over n pi. Next, sine of sine x square is equal to 1. Sine of sine x square is equal to 1. Okay, now where it is 1, sine 90 degrees. So sine of sine x square, sine of is equal to sine of pi by 2. Sine is cancelled. Okay, now so next, sine of x square is equal to 22 by 7. 22 by 7. 22 by 7 into 1 by 2, cancel 11 by 7. Sine of x square is equal to 11 by 7. This is 1 point. So 1.4. So above 1, sine is not defined. Above 1, sine is not defined. Sine is not defined. Above 1, sine is not defined. Above 1, sine is not defined. 1 minute. Above 1, sine is not defined. Above 1. Above 1, sine is not defined. So rejected, we have to be rejected. 1.4, sine is not defined. So sine value lies between minus 1 to 1. Rejected. This is the rejected. This is the rejected. Because of sine value is above 1. Above 1 means rejected. Sine value is above 1 means rejected. Okay, na? How 1s are minus 1? How minus 1 are? How 1 are minus 1 are? How it is 1? 1 amount. So sine 0 degrees is a 1 only. So how it is? Minus 1 is the. So taking the x square minus x, x is common. X square minus x. So this is x square minus x. X is common. Okay, na? Right. This problem also completed. We go through the. Now see, today small network problem is there. I will send a record one more time. We can see. Okay, na? So I will send record one more time. We can see. Everyone observe inverse of a function. Inverse of a function. Everyone put the heading is inverse of function. Inverse of function. Inverse of function. First, everyone write down the definition. If f of x be bijective. Bijective means both 1, 1 and R2. If f of x is bijective. if f of x is bijective, both 1, 1 and onto bijective function, bijective function, f is a mapping from A to B, f is a mapping from A to B, then the function, then the function, then the function, then the function F inverse map B to A, reverse order. F inverse map B to A is called inverse function. Is called inverse function. So F is a mapping from A to B means F inverse is the reverse order. So B to A. B to A is called as a inverse function. That is the definition. F is a mapping from, easy part you can be remember. F is a mapping from A to B means F inverse is a mapping from B to A. Reverse order function is called as a, so reverse order of the function is called as a inverse function. Reverse order function is called as a inverse function. Reverse domain as a codomain, codomain as a domain. That function is called as a inverse function. Okay, na? So this is the inverse function. What is the inverse function is? Everyone see. So inverse function one time, properties of inverse function. Properties of inverse function. Properties of inverse function. What is the first property of inverse function is? So always inverse function is a bijective function. Always. First condition. Always. So bijective, always inverse function is a bijective function. So immediately we will write every bijective function is a inverse function. That implies every bijective function is an inverse function. Every bijective function is an inverse function. Everyone remember this point. So every bijective function is an inverse function. No doubt about it. Okay, now? No doubt about it. Always you should be. Next, second property is f of x is equal to g inverse of x. Then g inverse comes to this side. G of f of x is equal to x. So only g inverse this come. Inverse will be replaced. Inverse should be replaced. G comes on the left side. Inverse should be replaced. Third point is f inverse of x never be write as a 1 by f of x. F inverse is the symbol of inverse function, not a inverse. It is a symbol only. F inverse is the symbol of inverse function. It is not a F inverse. All the real numbers is not a inverse. This is the only symbol of inverse function. F inverse is the symbol of F inverse function, not a power of -1. Then we can write 1 by a method is not there. Okay, na? Next one is fourth point is, everyone see, fourth point is, here I will write f circle g at x whole inverse is equal to F circle G at X whole inverse is equal to, everyone see, whole inverse is equal to, whole inverse is equal to, reverse order we should be right. F inverse follow the, so reverse order G inverse circle F inverse of X. G inverse F inverse of, so this can be written as reverse order G inverse of F inverse of X. This should be written as a, so reverse order, because of, for example, 2, 1 is the inverse is S, 1, 2, S. Is it correct? Is it correct? So is it correct? These are the prop. So always inverse function. Okay, na? So fifth point is, everyone see, fifth point is F circle, F circle, F circle, F up to n times is there. Its inverse is reverse order. F inverse circle, F inverse circle, F inverse circle up to n times. Up to n times. Dotted, 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 n times. So always inverse is the reverse order. Always inverse is the reverse order. Is it clear? Right. For example, everyone see what is the graph of inverse function is. What is the graph of inverse function is? So the graph of inverse function is graph of inverse function. Inverse function is, the graph of inverse function is C. It is a graph, it is a parabola. The graph is formed on the upside. The graph is formed on the upside. This is the F map A to B. The graph is formed on the downside. The graph is formed on the downside. So this is the F inverse of B to A. This is the F inverse of B to A. And it is a symmetric. What is the distance between x-axis and the graph? The same distance between symmetric. Symmetric. Symmetric means upside part and downside part both are equal. Symmetric means upside part and downside part both are equal. So one more property number 4. What is the property number 4 is? What is the property number 4th property? Not. What is the 4th property? What is the 4th property? 4th property, that is the 4th property is f of x, f inverse x, never be write it as a 1 by f of x. F inverse is the only symbol of inverse. Symbol of inverse. This is the F inverse is the symbol of inverse. Symbol of inverse. Notation of inverse. Not a real number method. Real number method means F circle G at X. No, sir, third. F circle G at X. Okay. F circle FG na F circle G at X. Whole inverse mean reverse order. It follow the reverse order. Reverse order mean G inverse F inverse at X. Reverse order, because of F is A to B, F inverse is the reverse order. That's why inverse is always reverse order. F inverse is always reverse order. Whole inverse also a reverse order. First G inverse, next F inverse, we should be right. Okay, na? Right. So somebody will write